What's going on, guys? My name is Levi the Lion, and today we are going to be making slime with just one ingredient.
And it looks like this when you're finished.
Exactly. It's kind of a metallic green color. It looks very cool, very, playful.
And you can stretch it, you can
It's
rip
really nice.
You can do that really anything.
Alright. Yeah, just like that. So the first is you have to have credit card, 18 and up. Boy, get trolled, get clickbaited. That's what's up. Get clickbaited.
Go to the store and buy some.
Go to the store and buy some. Don't be lazy. Yes. Get some slime today at Walmart.